They just if you want a console experience, you gotta go to PlayStation 5. And Xbox, they're just like Windows. They got their PC. If you want to play Xbox games, you can play all of them on PC. But PlayStation games, Spider-Man, the Wolverine games coming up, the new spot, like Demon Souls, all the Demon Souls games, they're.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Vapor, and welcome back to Weekly Tech Updates, episode number 4. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight into it. Alright guys, I predicted it, and it has come true. Breaking news, Sony has bought in company Bungie. This is another game development company following the recent acquisition from Microsoft. They bought Activision Blizzard. This is Sony's response to it, and let me go through the details. Sony has plans to acquire Bungie, the company, for $3.6 billion. Sony owns Insomniac Games, Naughty Dog, Guerrilla Games, Sucker Punch Productions, Bluepoint Games, and much other game development companies, and Bungie would be another addition to that. We will continue to independently publish and creatively develop our games. So, for all your Destiny fans out there, Bungie's still running the game. It's just Sony just overhead now oversees them. Well, it's just financially not smart to drop $3.6 billion on this when, I know Bungie used to own Halo, but they don't own Halo anymore. They were the original, developed Halo. But now Microsoft obviously owns them, so they wouldn't be getting Halo. So no Halo on PlayStation. I don't think we'll ever see that happen. not when I'm alive, at least. Bungie confirmed Destiny 2 to stay on other platforms outside of the PlayStation community. So don't worry about you Destiny fans on all the other platforms. Bungie still plans to keep all their games multi-platform. So no exclusives from this gaming company. The world's first 500 Hertz display monitor has just been released. A company by the name of BOE has reportedly made this monitor, and yes, it's been proven it does. It's a monitor that can do 500 Hertz. And is this necessary? Absolutely not. But it is a 27-inch 1080p display and 1 millisecond response time too. They have achieved everything. This is pretty much a gamer's dream. But you don't need it, It's like one of those things you could just get to brag about. Sadly, these aren't coming to the public anytime soon, This is just something that they kind of made. Don't know why, but most companies out there, the monitors you could buy maxed out are like 360 Hertz. And once again, that is plenty, You don't even really need that because most modern graphics cards nowadays, even the top tier graphics cards, have trouble running 500 frames on AAA games. Like, you don't, this isn't needed. It's like, maybe in the future, but that also begs, would we even be able to process all that? There's got to be a limit, right? There's got to be a cap. Now, this one hurts my soul, but as we all know, Microsoft has acquired Activision Blizzard, and this retailer has reportedly been putting signs on the store that says warnings and warning people to buy PlayStation 5 products, which, as a Sony fan, that hurts. I don't participate in the console wars, but that's kind of messed up, man. They're putting signs that says Microsoft has bought an Activision on the PlayStation, on the Sony products, and I'm 90% sure you're not allowed to do that. In my opinion, Sony is still better than Xbox. I don't know. They just if you want a console experience, you gotta go to PlayStation 5. And Xbox, they're just Windows. They got their PC. If you want to play Xbox games, you can play all of them on PC. But PlayStation games, Spider-Man, the Wolverine games coming up, the new spot, Demon Souls, all the Demon Souls games, they're. Autonomous robots prove to be better surgeons than humans. I don't even think I couldn't even predict this, but apparently there's robots out there that are doing surgeries at higher counts and doing them more consistently and more better than humans out there. And I'm just going to say this, I would never trust a robot to do surgery on me. I don't care how far we are in the future. I love technology, and it's going to be implemented in so much more ways in our lives. Part of the reason why I like to teach you guys about this stuff. But there's robots, something can always malfunction, even if the consistency is a little bit higher, it still sacrifices the human part. I don't know, you guys, as you can see, I'm arguing with myself on this topic, and it's super controversial, but it is happening, so I like to inform you guys. That's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow everything down below. Hope you guys are having a great day. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. I'm Vapor. Peace out.